Well, hello everyone. So this is another video from our tutorial or maybe tutorial project based one, because I don't like the name of tutorial. We are applying everything and the same time we are learning it. So let's go here, and I want to show you something in the performance. So this is the data and this is the object that we are extracting from it. What if we try to console.log all this data, and at the same time actually we will try to loop through 150. Let's see what will happen and how much time it will take. Look, so as you see, this is taking time, wow. So it took a lot of time to get 150 Pokemon. Let's do that again. Look guys, it's taking time because it's applying each promise, one by one. So that's why it takes a lot of time. How can we solve this problem? Well, actually today's lesson is about promise all. And promise all meaning is just like we will try to make all these promises, because we said before that the fetch function is a promise. We will make all the promises of the 150 index from the Pokemon go together and get the results at the same time. So let's see how we can do that. What if we did like this? We don't need this anymore, and we take it from here and we put it here, just like to keep it, because we're gonna use it. Actually we're gonna take some things just like to speed the time from it. But let's go here and start again to build something that is going in parallel, and all the promises will go together. This will speed the rhythm of the work of the JavaScript behind the stage. So let's see how we can do that. Actually, I'm gonna make again the for loop here. And by the way, I want you to notice that I made an object of Pokemon and an array. You will see, because now I'm not gonna make the same thing that happened before, but let's see what I will do. So where I will equal 0 and I is, let's start with just like 10, and until we make sure it is working, and then we will increase them. And here we will open the brackets. Okay, so I'll say that let URL will equal the same thing, just like here. So we'll take this from here. Okay, now what we want to do, we actually want to fetch this URL. Okay, so from now I will make these Pokemons, I will turn them into promises. How is that? I will deal with them just like I will put inside them just like promises. I will make the fetch function run inside like this, and I'm gonna fetch the URL, and we're gonna take the results with then again, and we're gonna make these results become just like results.json like this. So now we have we have pushed here all of these fetch functions, and so we have an array of promises. So this became promises, an array of promises, because we pushed inside it all of these. Let's now check that. If you say console.log Pokemons, but let's put that outside, because by this way it will iterate, and each time it will give me Pokemons again. So like this. Let's see what is the result. Okay, where is that? 18. What if I did like this? No. Okay. Alright, so the mistake was just like I left these, and these were not necessary. So let's see what will happen now. Alright, and and actually we have Pook, which is not defined, so we will have to just like put this like this too, because we don't need them now. So we will go back here and we will see what is happening. Okay, I forgot to save. Sorry guys, I'm new to tutorials. So here we got yeah, 0 will be 404 because we don't have 0. Well, a lot of problems. Good, very good. But this is actually educational. Well, so we have 10 promises now, as you see. 10 promises. Inside each one, we have an object, as you see. So we are working on the right line now. So as we see now, we have just like, as we said, we have 10 promises, and now we want to do something with these promises, make them all function together to get me the results I need to use. So let's see how we will do that. We will say that there is a function called a promise dot all. So now we will select all the Pokemons. Remember that we pushed all the promises in the Pokemon. So Pokemons now are promises. What we will do with these Pokemons, we will say then, because if you remember, after we take the result.json, we make another then, and we say that the data, which is result.json, we do something with these data. We will not call them data here, we will call them results, and the results will give us something. Let's see what the results will give us. Okay, the results now are actually not one result, it's actually an array of results, an array of promises. So what can we do with these results, or an array of objects, whatever? We will just like push them or make a map, just like with Pokemons. So let's see how we will do that. Remember the Pokemon right here? Yeah, we will use it right now. So Pokemon will equal results dot map, like this, and now we will call this data, and the data will be, but we will put it like this because this will be an object, and the data like this here will be so let us say I will get them all from here, like that. So are we walking on the right path now or not? So yes, we are walking on the right path, but we should just like add this curly bracket, and let's see now what's going to happen. So let's make these appear like this, and console.log the Pokemon like that. See what will happen. We have this because it's not defined yet. Yeah, we are not defining it yet. Okay, what is a mistake here? We made the Pokemon, we put the results inside it, and we made it just like a map function. We took the data, and for each result, so we made a name, a weight. Yeah, you cancel the Pokemon here, I guess, after the map, like this. Yes, so now we have a Pokemon, and the Pokemon is just like an array of 10 objects, as you see, ID1, ID2, Ivysaur, Bulbasaur. So now we have an array of Pokemons, and it's with the name of Pokemon like this. So the Pokemons this time are actually the promises, and the Pokemon here is for the array of Pokemons we want to just like iterate throughout that and make something with. So now we have the Pokemon, and it is here too. So this one, what if I sit again? If I sit here, console again, that like Pokemon, if we got the Pokemon, then we are all right, and we are good to go. If we got the Pokemon with the 10 objects we have here, then we are good to go. No, we didn't get it. Why? Alright guys, so there was just like a little mistake, but now everything is going on. So we made a promise all, and then we got the results. With the results, we made a map function, and we did like this, and now we have everything. If we cancelled the Pokemon here, you will get the results, and if we cancel the Pokemon here, you will get the same results, just like this, as you see. So everything is working fine, and I hope you benefited from the video. And if you tried now to make them more just like 150 like this, you will find that the performance is far better than the last time. You see, everything is working fine, just like in a very little time. So that's it. That's the benefit of actually working with promise all. You see, all the promises come together in just like a blink of an eye. So thank you all guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Meet you in another one.